Hello everyone. For the accomplishment of DIY activities, here is a program which includes all the activities within a single function. The various modules are used for the execution of simple calculator, temperature converter, number guessing game, age calculator, even or odd checker, etc. Here, the main program starts from this function, that is the PRG, which involves the display of all the programs. Based on the input, the choice that the user selects from 1 to 6, accordingly, the function is executed. For example, if the choice is 1, the calculator function will be called. Here you can find the defining of the calculator function. This is a basic simple calculator involving only 4 functions, that is plus, minus, divide, and multiply. If the user enters plus sign, the two numbers, the input that are being input by the user are added. Similarly, if the operator uses minus, the two numbers will be subtracted, and so on. Similarly, if choice 2 is selected, the temperature converter function will be called. Again, the definition of the temperature converter function is available here. That is the conversion from Celsius to Fahrenheit and the Fahrenheit to Celsius. The formula is being used to achieve the required output. Similarly, various other programs are also executed. And the main program, that is the PRG, is called in the end, such that when the program is executed, when we execute the program, we get a command to enter the choice from 1 to 6. And accordingly, as if we enter the option, the particular program will be called. Like for 2, we call the temperature converter function. Now, it is asking to ask whether we want to convert the Celsius into Fahrenheit or Fahrenheit into Celsius. Similarly, suppose we give to convert it into Celsius to Fahrenheit. Now it's asking for the temperature, so I'm entering 100 over here. So it has automatically converted the Celsius into Fahrenheit. That is 100 degrees Celsius is equals to 2.12 degree Fahrenheit. The main menu gets repeated automatically because we are using the while loop. Unless and until the user exits the program, the loop will continue. That's all from my side. Thank you.